Of course! Here is a persuasive and concise YouTube script for the AOSEED X-MAKER 3D printer, designed for a 60 to 90-second video. Video opens with fast-paced, vibrant shots. A child draws a colorful monster on a tablet. The drawing animates. The AOSEED X-MAKER is shown working. The same child holds a physical, 3D printed version of their monster, their face lit up with excitement. Narrator, upbeat, friendly, and energetic. What if your child's imagination wasn't stuck on a screen? What if they could turn their wildest ideas into real, physical toys they can actually hold? Sleek shot of the AOSEED X-MAKER 3D printer on a clean, modern desk. Narrator, introducing the AOSEED X-MAKER. It's not just a 3D printer, it's a portal to your child's creativity. Quick cuts showing the AI features in action. A child speaks, "Make me a rocket ship," and a 3D model appears on the screen. A simple doodle is scanned and instantly becomes a 3D object. Narrator, our revolutionary AI makes creation magical. Your child can use their voice, a simple drawing, or even a photo to design custom 3D models in seconds. From doodles to dinosaurs, if they can dream it, they can make it. Show a child easily navigating the 3.5-inch color touchscreen. The filament is loaded effortlessly. The Wi-Fi symbol appears on screen. Narrator, and for parents, it's completely frustration-free. With a simple touchscreen, intelligent setup, and Wi-Fi connectivity, you'll go from unboxing to printing in minutes. No tech headaches guaranteed. Show a montage of various colorful toys being printed. A shot highlighting the fully enclosed design, emphasizing safety. A graphic shows the quiet 40 to 50 decibel noise level, comparing it to a library. Narrator, best of all, it's designed for your home. The fully enclosed body keeps little hands safe, and the operation is whisper quiet. It's the perfect creative station for the living room or classroom. The screen fills with a shot of a family admiring a table full of unique, colorful 3D printed creations. Narrator, stop buying toys, start creating them. Unlock endless hours of learning, fun, and imagination. A special offer graphic flashes on screen. Limited time launch offer. Narrator, slightly faster, creating urgency. For a limited time, we're celebrating our launch with a special discount and a bonus pack of filament. But stock is flying off the shelves. This is your chance to get the ultimate creative tool for your family. The screen shows the product box and a clear call to action button. Narrator, strong, clear, and direct. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to order your AOSEED X-MAKER today. Give your child the power to bring their imagination to life. Final shot, the child from the beginning places their monster toy on a shelf with other creations. The AOSEED logo and website URL appears on screen.